How do I find my debit card number without my credit card? Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can find a debit card number without your credit card. At first you have to check your bank's mobile application or the online banking. For that you have to log in to your bank's mobile application or the online banking platform. You can navigate to the section that displays your account details or the card information. Your credit card number should be visible on the screen. After that, you have to just access your most recent account statement that may be either online or in the form of a paper statement. After that, you have to look for the section that details a debit card transaction. Your debit card number is usually listed alongside the transaction. Otherwise, what you can also do is you can also contact your bank. You can call your bank's customer service hotline. You can authenticate your identity by providing your account details and the personal information. You could also request the customer service representative to provide you with your debit card number. If you're still unable to find a debit card number, you can consider visiting your bank's local branch in person. The bank staff can assist you in recovering your card number after prompt identification. If you still have any documents related to your debit card, such as the card activation letter, the original application form, or any correspondence from your bank, your debit card number might be mentioned here. In some cases, if you have lost your debit card and need the card number for the online purchases, you could also be able to request a replacement card from your bank and they can issue a new card with a new number. Thank you everyone. If you really like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.